Hi guys! Happy Valentine's! Ay. So today, papunta tayo sa event kung saan mamimit natin ang pinakasikat na chef, pastry chef sa UAE. And I have here today my driver. Wow, driver daw. My friend who's very supportive para mamit natin ang pinaka-viral na chef sa UAE. Okay? So stay tuned guys. Tsaka. Good evening everyone, hello Emirates and hello world. Today, February 14 of 2025, we are here today in Marsa Boulevard in Dubai Festival City to witness the most iconic and the most viral Dubai chocolate here in UAE. So today, we are going to meet the most viral and the most famous pastry chef, none other than Chef Noel. Guys, you have to stay tuned so that you can know more about the details about the craft, the skills, and the 15 years of experience, world class of Chef Noel here in UAE. So stay tuned guys, bye! Chef, nice to meet you again. Sheila, Chef. Ako yung pinakamakulit na office mate ni Dory. For sure, marami na siyang mga nasabing kwento about me. Sorry, it's a privilege, Chef. So, dala ko yung journal ko. It's my personal journal. Chef, naitok ako. Teka lang. Chef, photograph.
Oh, sure. Anong?
Sheila, SH. Teka, may business girl ako dito.
Nakikinig ako.
Nakikinig ako.
Okay.
Ito, Chef. Ito yung
SHEI?
Yes, ito yung aking
So,
business
anong
card.
gusto mong sabihin ko?
Wala lang. Ikaw, sir. Ay, ikaw, Chef. Kakastart ko lang actually ng vlog ko, Chef. So, parang ikaw ang pinakaunang magiging launch ko. Kaka-launch ko lang noong February 6. Baka gusto mong makita yung ibang talent ko.
Subscribe ba tayo?
Chef, makita lang yung okay grammar.
Ayan, nanginginig din ako eh. Kasi hindi ako sanay sa ganito.
Sige, Chef.
Ayan. Ay, dapat may day. Ano ba ngayon? Oo nga pala, February 14.
Happy Valentine's,
Happy
Chef.
Valentine's.
Bibenta ko nito kay Boss Toyo.
Sige.
Ano na to? May value na to.
Salamat.
Thank you so much, Chef.
Salamat din.
Yeah, nice to meet you, Chef. Maybe I would meet you with another place, not here. I know you're busy. So, with the courtesy of Lori.
Siya din yung maging...
Siya ang naging bridge.
Yung third wheel.
True! Oh. Chef, grabe. Nakaka-overwhelm. I'm so
Salamat
proud.
din,
Chef,
sir.
alam mo, as in lahat, ewan ko kung ikaw may hawak ng Instagram mo, pero lahat talaga pinanood ko, pati yung interview mo. As in, di punta. 15 years, right? 11 years.
Okay. Salamat.
Oo, Chef.
Na hindi ka nagsawang manood.
Ay, grabe, Chef. Talagang pinaglalaban ko, hindi siya, may original, ito yung original, hindi yun ang original. Anyway, so Chef, very thanks.
Salamat, Sheila.
Baka meron pang ano.
Ayun na, tahimik ka lahat eh, sabi nila.
Oo, kasi ako na yung dadaan, Chef.
Oo, kaya sabi, tumahimik ka.
Oo. Which flavor do you like, baby? What's your name, baby?
Mikael.